Babies may be small, but here's a surprising fact. They have more bones than adults. It's true. Those tiny hands and feet actually contain more individual bones than ours do. This difference isn't because babies are born with extra bones. It's all part of a fascinating biological process that allows our bodies to grow and develop. When a baby is born, they have around 300 bones. This might seem like an overwhelming number, but each of these bones plays a crucial role in the baby's development. This number might sound like a lot, but it's essential for their journey into childhood and beyond. These bones are not just for structure, they allow for the incredible flexibility and rapid growth that babies experience in their early years. These bones are made of a softer, more flexible material called cartilage. Cartilage is what makes a baby's bones so pliable, allowing them to move and grow without the risk of breaking. Cartilage is like the blueprint for our bones. It provides a framework that will eventually harden and become the strong bones that support us throughout our lives. It provides the structure for the skeletal system to develop. As the baby grows, this cartilage will slowly be replaced by bone through a process called ossification. As a baby grows, the cartilage gradually transforms into hard, strong bone. This transformation is essential for the baby to develop the strength and stability needed for standing, walking, and all the physical activities they will engage in as they grow older. The process of cartilage transforming into bone is called ossification. During ossification, some bones fuse together. This fusion process is what reduces the total number of bones as we grow from infancy to adulthood. Imagine two separate pieces of a puzzle coming together to form one. That's similar to what happens with bone fusion. It's a gradual process that continues throughout childhood and adolescence. Section 4. Growing up bone by bone. Some of the most noticeable changes happen in the skull, hands, and feet. These areas undergo significant transformations as we grow from infancy to adulthood. The process is fascinating and complex, involving the gradual fusion of bones that were once separate. For example, a baby's skull has several separate plates of bone that allow for the brain to grow rapidly. These plates are not fully fused at birth, which provides the necessary flexibility for the brain's rapid expansion during the early years of life. As we age, these plates fuse together, forming the solid skull of an adult. This fusion process typically completes by the time we reach our late teens or early 20s, providing a strong and protective casing for the brain. In our hands and feet, the small bones in our wrists and ankles also fuse. Initially, these bones are separate to allow for growth and flexibility, but as we mature, they gradually come together. This fusion creates stronger, more stable joints that can support our weight and movements as we grow. The process ensures that our skeletal structure is robust enough to handle the physical demands of daily activities, from walking and running to lifting and carrying objects. Section 5. From tiny beginnings to a strong foundation. The reason for this incredible process is simple: growth and development. From the moment we are born, our bodies are designed to adapt and change. This journey begins with the smallest of steps, quite literally, as our tiny bones start to grow and strengthen. Having more bones at birth allows for flexibility, which is essential for a baby to pass through the birth canal. This flexibility is not just crucial for birth, but also for the early stages of life, allowing babies to move and explore their new world with ease. As we grow, bone fusion provides strength and stability. This process is gradual and continues throughout childhood and adolescence, ensuring that our skeletal structure can support more complex movements and greater physical activities. It allows us to walk, run, jump, and explore our world with confidence. The fusion of bones is a testament to the body's ability to adapt and become stronger, enabling us to engage in various physical activities and sports. The human body is an amazing and complex machine. Each bone, muscle, and joint works in harmony to facilitate movement and support our daily activities. This intricate system is constantly working behind the scenes to keep us active and healthy. It's constantly changing and adapting throughout our lives. From infancy to old age, our bodies undergo numerous transformations, each stage bringing new challenges and adaptations. This continuous evolution is what makes the human body so remarkable. The journey from a baby with 300 bones to an adult with 206 is just one example of the incredible transformations that shape us. This reduction in the number of bones is due to the fusion process, which is essential for developing a strong and stable adult skeleton. It's a fascinating journey that highlights the body's incredible ability to grow, adapt, and thrive.